Hello, and welcome to New Tech. In this tutorial, you will learn how to disable sleep mode in Windows 10 computer. Let's begin. To disable sleep mode in Windows 10, go to bottom left corner and right-click on the Windows logo. Or you can also press Win+X to bring up the Win+X menu. After that, go to Power Options. Then, you will be taken directly to Power and Sleep settings. Under Sleep, you will see a drop-down menu with default times 30 minutes. Change it to Never. This way, you can disable sleep mode on Windows 10 computer. Okay, that's it for today. I will see you in next tutorial with amazing and interesting topics. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.